Actually, I got the Rex with me. Rex. Actually, I got the recipe. Yeah. Actually, these niggas mad at me. Why? Mad at me cause I smashed his freak. Damn. It's your world, it's my world, it's Vontae's world, man. Back with another video today. This video, man, I'm gonna be installing some kickers in my brother's Buick right here. You know what I'm saying? Buick. What kind of car is this, bro?
Lucerne.
Lucerne. So we gonna be putting some kickers, 6x6s in here. The wind blowing, so I don't know if y'all can hear me all the way, but you know, we gonna get this video out to you real quick. So if you got one of these cars right here, you can see how to do it quick. We're gonna do this shit in like 10 minutes.
That's why I said I'm not the right fucking cameraman. I'm all looking. I'm looking around this shit.
You got the screw right there. Go ahead, pop that screw out. It's usually more than one screw, but in this car it's only this one, so it's easy. Pop that up. Put that screw right there. I'm gonna use my knife for this side. Okay, start popping the door panel off. Door panel off. Alright, so we got a screw right here. Go ahead and pop that up. Pop it out like that. The wires back here, got the harness still attached. Go ahead and push down on that and remove the harness. Come out like that, real simple and easy. Now we're gonna go ahead and cut these wires. Go ahead and get the fingers. Go ahead and connect your terminals.
Yeah, we did this side in 2.2 seconds, clearly.
That's how fast the other side was supposed to take. A little extra precautions we need to take.
Just some niggas filming, that's all.
Get out of here, Karen. You ain't doing shit wrong.
Oh, he's leaving us.
yeah, man, just like that, man. It's that simple, it's that easy. I'm putting speakers in, you know, in on this Buick. What's it called again? Lucerne. Buick Lucerne. We putting in speakers on the Buick Lucerne, man. It's that easy. You know, it only took about what? How long that side took?
That side took like 10 minutes.
10 minutes. So it's really that easy, guys. You know, just put in your new speakers, 6x6, 6x6 or 6x5? 6x5?
Yeah.
Yeah. So these 6x5s, and you know, we got a Karen over here, you know, keep round about it. Trying to make sure we ain't doing no illegal shit, but I don't have to do illegal shit. I get money legally. So, but yeah, guys, it's that easy and simple to put speakers into your car. I hope y'all got some you know, understanding out of this video. Maybe you're a first-time car buyer and you just want to add some stuff in your car. Hey, it's that simple. It's really that simple. You know what I'm saying? You don't know how to do it. Every car is a little bit different, but for the most part, if you're doing the side speakers like that, it's pretty easy. It's usually two screws in the door. One usually by the door handle, one usually like by the armrest on the door. You know what I'm saying? So it's really that simple, guys. I hope that if you got this car and you had any curiosity on how to do that, you know, I was able to help you doing that. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, it's not a tutorial. I'm not telling you how to do it. I'm just showing you how I did it. You know what I'm saying? So it is what it is. Now we finna go take a ride and see how they sound. I should have did it before. Damn, we should have did it before and after, but I only got the after. It's gonna sound a lot better though. Actually, I got the recipe. Yeah. Actually, these niggas mad at me. Why? Mad at me because I smash his freak. Damn. Actually, ain't no cap with me. No cap. Your Majesty. Yeah, bitch, I'm a king. King. Bad bitch named Ashley. She bad. And she gonna come and shake that ass for me. Actually, your bitch added me. She all in my DMs sending snaps to me. I know you want her to come home, but she out with me. You went through the bitch phone, you just had to see. That shit sad to me. Giving a drip away, I'm thinking of starting a charity. My mind rich, a nigga, I'm wealthy, I'm building a legacy. You a bitch, your man is sim, so don't compare me, please. You don't compare to me, you don't work hard as me. And when it comes to this rap game, you don't go hard as me. I'm LBJ up in the pay, I'm number 23. They say I can't, I said I can, a nigga watch and see. And every time these niggas doubt, they just more fuel for me. I run the shit up like a flight of stairs. Got it out the mud without no helping hand. You ain't take a chance, you are not a man. Used to be broke, nah, young nigga. Alright, man, y'all hear how it's sounding now? It's a lot better, man. I should have did it before, but it's cool. We just got the after. It sounded a lot better, man. So that's the end of the video, man. Just like that, we out, man.
And subscribe to my YouTube channel and my Uncle Bob's YouTube channel and my brother's YouTube channel. Because they all of us got YouTube channels.
Actually, I got the Rex with me. Rex. Actually, I got the recipe. Yeah. Actually, these niggas mad at me. Why? Mad at me cause I smash his freak. Damn. Actually, ain't no cap with me. No cap. Your Majesty. Yeah, bitch, I'm a king. King.